I know, yeah, of course it needs a refurb. It's been used. That's what they're meant for. Yeah, I know, yeah.
This is the system that I use in this particular one. It's a different system used in the ones that Martin's running, but they all do the same thing. They just move air around one way or the other, provided you don't get any leaks, you don't have any trouble. Right, I'll position this U-boat now down at the bottom end, ready to be torpedoed, we hope. So I'll just move it down.
How far did you go?
To give him a chance to come broadside on so he's got a better target. What Martin's got there are electric powered torpedoes. Still not gone yet. There goes the torpedo now running. Is he going to hit me? No. Yes. So now the torpedo, hopefully, will return. It hits the bank and then comes back again. It's running along the other side. Can you see it over there, by the way? Yeah, it's gone back again. That's what it does. It runs all over the place. Martin, it's on its way back. Oh! You sunk me on the way back, mate. Well held. And that's what happens. So you just, and then you screw the end of it and it stops the motor running. Looks like we've got a slight malfunction. Anyway, so that's what happens. Here we go. Fire one. Dismiss that one. Have you only got one, Martin? You've got a malfunction in one tube. Derek's on his way back.
That's going to kick you. It's right next to you.
Submarine. Yes, here she goes. Torpedo running, bang! There we go. Right, here we go again, see if we can recover this torpedo. They seem to be taking the same path back each time. I don't know quite what that's about. It's never done it before. We normally lose them. There we go. Well held, sir. Hey, Shady, do you think he's going to hit me? Alright. Has he fired one? Oh, he's coming down the sneaky side, is he? Has he fired it? Way! Is he? No. We live another time. And we've got to get it back. Torpedo running. Well done, Martin. I suppose firing one at a time instead of the two, at least we get twice the amount of shots. Oh. I think we're returning to the other side. got close to himself, so he's come to the middle of the pond now. Is this going to be a glancing blow, or is he going to hit me fair and square? Here comes the torpedo, running, running, running. Oh, yeah, straight in the conning tower. I'd be a goner, wouldn't I? Can you grab that torpedo? We'll get it on the way back. Yes, here she goes. Torpedo running, bang! There we go. Right, here we go again, see if we can recover this torpedo.